Hello, my name's Logan. Welcome back. Today we're looking at my Christmas train haul. So let's get started off with these two. This is these are Barney HR scale F3s. Everything on this table is all Barney. Some are diecast, some are brass. So let's get on to the review. Okay, here we are. Here we have the F3. Nicely, this is all hand painted. This is a model kit. Coupler is missing, but I do have the coupler. Under here we have the gear motor by Barney. So I'm gonna put a block of wood there to keep the coupler in place. The couplers on this are not your typical horn hook or Katy. These are what the couplers are. I don't know what these couplers are called. I always call them horn hooked, but probably something else. Tell in the comments below what this coupler is. Just let me know. And this is a bigger one, and on the back is a smaller one for the cars. This is actually the F3B unit. It has no motor. It's a dummy unit. Then this is the powered unit. This is all die-cast. Model kit. There's some paint chips. Not in mint condition, but cool. Very cool. Very nice little piece. Here's the B unit. Same as this one, but with no cab. It's cabless booster unit. And there's die-cast trucks. Nothing on here is plastic. Maybe the horns are the separate applied horns. And yeah, the ladder is cracked and wearing off the paint. Yeah, so there's those two. Then here we get on some more die-cast trains. This is a Barney 460 with bunker C fuel oil tender, water tank shaped tender. Does have spunk trucks. There's a truck that's missing a spring. The wheel keeps coming off some of that. This has the regular 1980s couplers like Tyco did. I'm saying that because it reminds me of the Tyco ones. Here's the engine. Nicely painted. When I first got it, it ran for like a day, then I just stopped. And it's like heavily oiled, and it's old. I think it's old or new oil. And you have the pony wheel. They got 6 wheels. And this is all die cast. I think this is custom right here. It's plastic. Someone probably glued that on. It was not in the best shape, and the guy got it, and the other guy got it. I got these off of eBay. So I got this for Christmas Eve. These trains right here, I got it from Christmas Eve. So plastic and die cast, metal, and the wheels are brass and plastic. So it makes contact. The locomotive's nice, got a car catcher, it's got all the bells and whistles. It's got the whistle, that's nice. So it's all painted right there. The belt's missing. Got a smokestack. You got the marker lights. In the back, you got the motor. It says Barney. It says Barney. Right there. You got a wire that goes to the tender. There's that little screw behind the connector rod. That goes from the tender to the locomotive itself. And that's that. It's very heavy. This one's where it's heavier than the engine tender is. Okay, now here's my favorite one of all. This is made of brass. This is made of brass. Chesapeake, Ohio, Pacific. 462. This is a 462. All brass. It's got a real look colo to it. It's custom. It's little mint condition, but it's good. This thing runs super smoothly. You can see the motor in there. This is all brass. Got my best features. When they unhook the coupler, this goes up. Then on the front, you got the headlight and marker lights, and then you got this is my favorite feature, the swinging bell. Metal handrails, I think brass or metal. Oh yeah, it's probably brass. It's an all brass model. This is made in Japan. Let me see. It's on the tender. This is all brass too. Made in Japan. See that? This is made of brass. This is heavy. You got the Taco looked one-hook coupler. Got the wheels. Got the trucks. The trucks are not sprung. I think they're brass. These are brass trucks. I never had brass trucks. I only have metal trucks. One of my freight cars. The Central Valleys on the cars. Then you got the connecting rod that goes to the tender. Then you got the screw that comes with a screw and the wire that goes to the tender. And to put the wire in, you just put those in that hole. It came with, there's like an extra hole right there on the bottom. So it didn't came with another screw. I just had to use this screw that came with it. So it's a tight fit, but it works with it. The tender can make contact to electric. This is heavy on the bottom. Turn it up for you. Brass on the bottom. Brass wheels. This is super cool. It's got the pony wheel, then you got the trailing truck. You got 6 wheels, then you got a gear. This has been oiled very nice. Speaking of Ohio, I don't know what the U.S. stands for. I always think it's United States, but why would they put a U.S. symbol right there? Tell me down in the comments, will ya? So I can know. So Chesapeake, Ohio. I wish it had a number on the back and on the side of the locomotive, like what, like 795. This looks like the 1225 Berkshire, but smaller. I think this is by this locomotive. The wheel maker of it, the wheel train was built by the Lima locomotives. Because look at the boiler. Does it look like Lima or Elko? Tell in the comments. And you got the light that looks like the 1225 Polar Express, the real Polar Express. Then you got the bell that looks like it, but in the movie it has the bell on top. Right here, it's hanging from here. So it's down in the lower side that the headlight is. The headlight does work on here. Looks good. On that one, the headlight works, but the wheels don't turn because I have to get it lubricated again, or I just get a new motor. So that's probably why I did the same thing. Did the same thing with another locomotive that it kept doing the same thing what that did. So the headlight looks like in the movie looks like the Polar Express headlight. This is pretty nice. This is a pretty nice haul for Christmas. I do like it. Just to let you know, guys, I might do more videos for Train Sim later because I got the Steam Link and the Steam controller. So I might do like a I was about to say a live stream, but I probably won't do a live stream because I have to have a better camera. So I might do a good video on Train Sim. I got some new trains last night on Train Sim later. So I have to show you guys when I get my camera up and ready, my phone, because I'm using my phone right now. So nice to see you guys. Well, see you in the next video. Bye.